All right, hello everybody. Welcome to our CYU, the court system part B. So you will be placing the correct levels of the state and federal court system into their correct areas. Remember to use the lesson, the court system part B, to help you complete this. So you do have two triangles here. You have the state courts and the federal courts, and you have the different definitions for the different levels of each of the court system there. So, for example, here number 4, minor cases, and arrangements. Number 3, specific cases heard. Number 2, hears serious cases, most trials held here. Number 1, hears appeals from lower courts. Federal courts. Number 4, hears cases related to violations of federal law. Number 3, specific types of cases heard. Number 2, appeals and challenges to orders from federal agencies. Number 1, appeals on cases of constitutional law. Now, your areas or vocabulary terms down here: U.S. district courts, county or municipal courts, specific courts related to taxes and trade, specific courts related to juvenile and divorce, U.S. courts of appeals, superior court, U.S. Supreme Court, and state Supreme Court. So what you need to do is simply drag these to their correct areas. So I'll give you a hint, help you get you started here. So for number 1, you would have the state Superior Court. So you can just place it in that area there next to number 1, right? Because that's at the top of the state courts. Same for Supreme Court. We would place it on number 1 here at the federal court. So again, you just drag and drop. Gave you some hints there. Good luck.